think your A plus content is good? It's probably not. And I'm going to show you data-backed difference between good A plus content and bad A plus content. And the good always helps you rank to page number one on Amazon. And the first thing we want to look at is, does your A plus content produce emotion? Humans are emotional. They're just scrolling really quick. Why do people go on TikTok? And it's for that extra dopamine boost. So you want them to feel something, right? Some type of emotion if possible. And this is the first type of description that you get on Amazon without A plus content. It looks just like this, right? And it's very boring words. You can see this was written probably by ChatGPT or something. It doesn't explain the product very well. People want visuals. So this one is going to be a no-no. That's not going to help them generate sales at all. And it's not going to help the customer purchase the item. Next up is regular A plus content. And this one's not that bad, right? So we're looking at the product right now. It looks like it's a teapot. We're going to scroll down and it says matters need attention, whatever that means. So we're kind of going down and we're seeing some of the product and it just has the person's hand in all of them, right? A bit boring, not emotional at all. Now, it's something is better than nothing. It's better than the first one, right? But this is the second one. This is just regular A plus content. And then we have the third one. And this looks like it's a supplement, right? Probiotic supplement. And we're going through and it's showing the product up close. The benefits of the product: supports healthy body composition, keeps healthy gut flora, and it has the woman smiling, which automatically could produce some type of emotion, right? And then this one is, it looks like it has a woman that is a little bit overweight compared to a woman. And now she's like underweight in this picture. And you can see that it looks like she's lost weight, maybe from the supplement. And she's happy. She's happy. And that's what matters. And we can kind of go through. And this is definitely way better. Now, it could produce more emotion, but it's pretty darn good, right? It's very simple. It's straight to it. What you get out of this is, if I take this supplement, it'll make me happier. It'll make me look better. That's what most customers are automatically going to take out of it, or their brain is going to unconsciously take out of this. And that's what you want. You want some type of emotion to be produced. The first two were bad. This one's pretty good. It could obviously be better, but that's an example. Now go ahead and look at your A plus content, and does it produce any emotion? If it doesn't, start to add these happy people in. That's going to help people be happy and want to buy the product. Now, another thing that we want to note is, even if you add all these happy people in and everything's good, you got that emotion, what I've seen a lot of the time is they just think Amazon's going to optimize it for mobile, and it's not optimized for mobile. So you think that they will, but here's an actual cell phone right here. We're going to look at the A plus content. On desktop, it looks amazing. This is for pans and pots. We're scrolling down and we're looking at the A plus content, and this is it, okay? Now I can barely read these words, and I kid you not, if I got my phone right now and I tried to zoom in, Amazon does not let you zoom in on A plus content on the cell phone. So I can't actually really see what the heck this says unless I squint and put my phone right up to my face. So this is a no-no. You need to look at what your A plus content looks like on mobile, because you think Amazon's optimizing it, but they're not. And 70% of people are now checking out on mobile. So do you think mobile matters? Hell yeah, it does. And we're looking, and look how small. It's so small. Oh my gosh, the text, it's terrible. And that's going to be a big part of it. We had to go through all of our clients' A plus content and just go through it via mobile and make sure it was mobile optimized. And you will be surprised. Next up, emotion. We talked about emotion, mobile optimization, and see if you can target at least one of the five senses: sight, hearing, smell, taste, touch. Try to target one of those as well and implement those in your A plus content. And of course, we've got Quest. Now you can take it from anybody. This is obviously a food, so it's very easy. but you can come up with some types of ideas. Now she's looking at the bag, she's super excited. And you can see the cookies, they're eating the chips, and obviously it automatically produces, it could produce smell, it could produce taste, right? Automatically with the special donut. So it does make it automatically easier, because if the person is hungry right now and they see this, they're probably going to buy it, right? Right on the spot. Oh my God, this looks so good and it's healthy for me. Buy. I'm hungry right now. Something like that. So that's going to be a part of it as well. And how can this A+ content be better? You want to look at your A+ content and just go through. What can you do to make it 10% better? It doesn't have to be perfect. And if we're looking at this tennis item right here, it's a backpack. And what I've noticed is we're going through, nobody's actually wearing the backpack in any of their photos. It's like, what the heck? It's literally a backpack. You wear it every day. What do you think people are going to want? Well, how does the backpack look when someone's wearing it? And they don't show that at all, which is definitely not the best. So that would be the first thing I would do. Next is the 70-30 rule. Make sure 70% of your A+ content is visuals, right? And then 30% is text, because shoppers scan, they don't read. And that's just the reality. And if we're looking at this item right here, this is A+ content, and it's for like an automatic ball shooter. There's just way too much text on here. Way too much text. And there should be more photos. So that's what's going to help at the end of the day. So now you know the difference between A+ content when it's not there, regular A+ content, and premium A+ content. And premium A+ content, you can have videos on your listing. Now, if you do need help with getting your A+ content to the next level, or even getting an audit, you can get an audit right here. We'll audit your A+ content, your whole listing. You can go into the description. Our designers will help come in, and our consultants will make sure, look at your top competitors, look at other categories that are successful, and then make your A+ content better. Not only that, we do full account management if you wanted us to help manage your account and expand it long term. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of VHP Consulting Group, signing out.